Hello everyone, today we have a review and brief unboxing of the Dyson Airwrap Complete Long. So basically this thing is what each girl and woman wants right now. It costs around 700, like 600, $700, and let's unbox it and see what you will find inside. I already unboxed it before, so the package will be not really original, but you will find actually how the box looks like and what you will get when you buy this thing for such an expensive price. What they show here, the Dyson Airwrap Complete Lawn has such set of barrels and brushes. So basically, you will got the device itself, the Dyson. You will got the Candle smoothing dryer. You will got the 30 millimeters Airwrap lawn barrel, 40 millimeters Airwrap long barrel, and if you have the short version, those two will be short, all the others are the same. Firm brush, soft brush, and round volume sheen brush. Actually, that's what you should find in a box, and the device itself that actually costs that expensive. So you will have 6 styling designed and a chest length hair or longer. Actually, let's check it out. Why they really like, all the girls really like the Dyson itself. Let's show what the box actually explained to us. So you will have the re-engineered styling house, Dyson call it, of course, drying mode that quickly dries without damaging your hair, curl mode, shape mode, hide flyaways. And here it describes the technology behind it, so I will not, of course, put that much attention, but they have 2 years warranty, so I hope it will work as prescribed. Also, here you have some guidance how to do it, so which way you should use it actually. So quite informative box here, and let's finally open it up and see what we will find inside. Actually, here also you have the description, and inside you will have this case, which actually the weight of this case, it's maybe 3 times higher than all this Dyson with all the barrels inside. Alright, let's open it up. Very difficult to put it off the box. Then we have this, okay, this we put on the side. In case I need it, I can have some hints from here and read the names of barrels. That's how the box looks like. It's actually really heavy, I guess around 2 kilograms together with Dyson inside. So from the side you've got nothing. When you touch it, of course, you feel the premium of this fan, and from bottom you've got this really nice cover that will not damage your table or scratch it. Alright, here we have Dyson logo, not that big, so looks fine. Let's open it and see what we've got inside. So the first one is Candle smoothing dryer. That's how it looks like. Actually, you can change the direction and move it from this way to another way, depends what you want. Actually, here you can use it as a fan itself, so all the air will go directly here. And if you set it this way, so you will have hair on both sides, or you can choose like left side or right side only. Okay, like this, left side and right side. So the quality of materials, yeah, it's just plastic. Of course, a high quality plastic for this price, but nothing special. Here, I guess it's sort of, no, it's still plastic. Alright, that's the first one. Okay, let's move on with the second one. Let's take this out. It's actually firm brush. Actually, this brush made from Dyson again, made of, again, high quality plastic. And here you have just 2 direction. When you brush it, just go air that goes on the way you brush it. Actually, we will test it out later on with the device itself. So let's move on to the third one, the soft brush. Actually, as you see, it was never open. Same logic, plastic, Dyson logo on it, of course, and just 2 directions while you're brushing. it's called round. It's called soft brush. Yeah, soft brush. Let's move on. Something here we have. All right, this thing actually, why you're buying this Dyson? It's actually Airwrap long barrel. So it has two directions, left and right, and this one is used to just turn your hairs around this barrel, and you will have this wavy effect. Of course, left, right, and actually what this one is made a bit different way. It's not just that normal. Inside you have some rubber, and here is the same plastic as on previous models, on the previous brushes. Actually, this thing will help you to make wavy hairs. That's the main thing here, I guess. Alright, let's open one more thing. It's actually very similar, but 40 millimeters. So this one 30, this one 40 millimeters, and both of them are long, so same length, same logic, and actually same quality. So those two main things that you may use on this styler. Alright, number 6, round wall machine brushing. So actually here are no settings, just for brushing as a regular hair brush, and at the same time you can dry your hair safely with not the high temperatures using the Dyson device. Okay, you've got some guidance. You have some James Dyson engineering founding. The mission is simple, solve the problem, others ignore. Alright, good words. And this thing is for cleaning. Also, this against the water, against the drops here. Okay, let's keep it here. And the device itself, so the box is empty. I think the box is around 1 kilogram together with cover. So let me put this box somewhere here. And here is the device itself. Actually, it's made of plastic as well, full of plastic, maybe, and of course inside you've got some metal, but the body and bottoms made from plastic. The quality, of course, looks good. Dyson logo on it. Here we have the air comes here inside, and you can have the, actually I think you can put it like this and clean your device using this special thing like that. Make some cleaning. So actually even Dyson thought about you and give you this cleaning tool to keep your styler working well all the time. So this one called filter, of course. Also you have the heating mode, cold, warm and hot. The speed, 3 type of speed. So this turn on button is here, and actually just push button, so you just push for cold air. Actually you can use the hottest mode, and when you need to fix it you just scroll it up and fix it with a cold air. From inside seems just like regular fan. Here the technology I don't think is really different from others, just the form factor is actually different. The cable is really long, I guess it's around 2 meters, and also there is like some, I guess, stabilizer to keep it working fine. So they made it here like maybe they don't have space inside the Dyson itself, so they put it outside, I don't know, but what we see here is this power module. Also Dyson is everywhere, they put their logo, they love them, so they love themselves, that's why they do it. Alright, so let's just check out some of them, and I think we can finish the unboxing and brief review. Let's try to put this type of barrel, which is 40 millimeter Airwrap barrel, and yes, actually pretty simple to put it, and it's locked. Then you unlock it, that's it. So just 1 second to connect it and disconnect it. Holds pretty tight. And actually that's how this device looks like. Alright, let me connect it to the power and test it out. I've connected it to the power and let's test it out. So first the minimum. Warm air is coming. The middle one. So it's actually not that noisy. Of course, it's still a hair dryer, which cannot be not noisy, but let's change the direction. And temperature, that's the hot one, that's the warm one, that's the cold one. And while you're using it, you can just press up and the cold air is coming. So, and also after it finishes, you feel some vibration from it. So also I think some built-in small vibration sensor is installed here. Actually, the thing is getting hot. So let's unstick it and try something else, like hairbrush, this round volume brush. Okay, that's it, very simple to connect. Okay, yeah, it's working, I guess how it should be. So basically, I think for unboxing and what you will find inside the box, that's pretty much it. Actually, that's all what I wanted to show you today. In case you have some questions, leave it in the comments below, put a thumbs up, and see you next time.